Niggas don't want to pay for that drink package, boy.
I ain't get my taxes.
Hey man, say man, you know what it is. It's your boy Crunch. We back with another one, man. We in Miami. We on a cruise tomorrow, but you know I don't like to do too much talking. Let's go.
I sell natural hair care products. I sell the hair growth oil, butter. So if you know anybody that's interested, here's my page right here. And you can also follow me on Instagram.
Appreciate you.
Black owned.
Alright, twin.
Alright, we got a little room, you know what I'm saying?
Tight shit,
Got a
man.
little twin beds.
Hey, man.
Got a little pull-out couch. Bathroom. It's decent, it's decent. Alright man, finally back in the room. Just quick little recap of what the we done had going on. We done did what, the sail away party. Ate lunch, worked out. Shit. I think we just finna take a shower, chill for a little bit. We got dinner in about, I ain't got my watch on, damn. We got dinner in about an hour. And then after that we finna hit the club and then just see what that be about. So as for right now,
Still ain't got my taxes.
dog out this big, yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir. Dog out this big, yes sir. Look at this bitch ass boy. We went to this bullshit ass club tonight. I ain't gonna hold you. CK soaking wet right now.
Not a good way. Not a good way.
I ain't talking no sex. Some nigga cracked the ball across this nigga boy. That boy was getting stumped out. We had to go help his ass. We got my dog Jada in this bitch.
Jada, the only Jada.
Tight shit.
Yes, the one and only. Not no
Not
Jada
the
way
two.
though.
You hear me?
Not
Jada
the one, not the two.
Tight shit. Hey, guess what? I ain't gonna tell y'all no more, nigga.
What you got?
No taxes.
There, I don't give a f. If it's up, it's stuck. I don't care.
And it's another one
I
right
can
here,
have
get on
mad
his
love
ass
for
too.
you and you say something to me and I don't f with it and I'll never speak to you again. I can have all the
would
love
do
in the
that.
world
We
for
would
you.
just catch
I
your
stand
ass.
on business. I do
Yeah.
not give a f. I'm not on no fake shit, but cross me,
Shut the
drop
content
right
out.
up there. I don't care. I want to
I'm gonna tell you somebody who wants some fake.
Tight
Let this nigga talk to you like that, boy.
shit.
Talk to you. I don't give a fuck that nigga.
He already knows him. He go straight ahead.
Me?
Oh, that one.
You wanna go to sleep?
I'm not even going. I ain't
Yeah.
gonna
Hold on. We coming right back. We not going to bed. Don't listen to John.
Keep it down, keep it down.
Alright. I'm gonna shut it off.
Type shit. Hey, Crunch. They ain't get their taxes neither.
Security. Security.
Yeah, this one showing his ass.
What is going on?
It's him showing his ass.
This way, sir.
There's a lot of problems here.
Hold on, I got my box on, bro.
The next day.
Got a recap last night. We went to Henry's. Everybody been hyping this club up on TikTok. Even that's been on this cruise before. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. We was at a teen club last night. The motherfucking kids was in there goddamn doing the Soldier Boy. I'm not too hyped to go back in that tonight, but I know it ain't no other options.
This your boy Big Dog with another one. We in Bahamas, not yet close, but check this out. These niggas on the spade table, look. So let me tell you something, this nigga here is a fake ass type shit, right? Go back to the shit, right? So we're gonna have a good time. Let me put it up. I don't even do this content shit, but I'm letting y'all know. We're gonna have a good time. Y'all boys lock into my crunch, mother time, YouTube channel. He going somewhere. All of that. Yeah, Papa, I gotta slow down, man. Gotta slow down. Type shit, but I still ain't got my tax.
Any named Treasure is a hood.
Treasure got her tax.
Shout out to know I met a celebrity today.
Right aside.
Shout out to Mariah.
Oh, I thought you was gonna say me, Beyonce. I look like Ciara on this side, but Beyonce on this side. And then Megan on this side, yeah.
This for you, bro.
Hold on, who gave you that?
Little shorty, you not gonna take it?
I don't want to be married.
Bro, it's for you.
What's going on?
Bro, he got a real situation. Bitch, I'm married in my hill. He don't
You
wanna
were
take
married?
Yeah. This is answer for it.
No, they mine.
Oh, that's the rape.
The metal, yeah. I'm just saying. So y'all all this right now. Is the light on? Oh, okay.
Hey man, say man, it's your boy Big Dog with another one. Alright, so we out here now, we're on the Lido deck type shit, right? And we having a good time. My brother John having a good time. Look at this nigga. Look at this nigga, look at this nigga.
Hey, don't listen to this nigga, dog. We got some motherfuckers mad at us right now. They are mad.
3 hours later.
You got a man, right? How long before you post it on your Instagram?
I'm not gonna post him at all.
Never?
No,
Why?
it's a long story. I'm not posting no
You never gonna post no nigga.
period. I'm
I
not.
can't trust nobody who ain't gonna post me.
You ain't gonna post me either.
I will post you.
I'm not posting no nigga.
That's crazy.
Niggas don't be posting. They
Where you from?
Illinois.
What part?
By Chicago.
She from where Chief Keef from. Fuck no. Good morning. Front of Bahamas. Day 3. Last day of the cruise. I ain't gonna lie. Niggas on this bit having a good ass time. We went to the little club on the boat last night. Not gonna lie, the shit was packed wall to wall. It got to the point where it got too hot in there. Like you couldn't even move in the club. I think it's like 9:30, 10 o'clock now. Probably gotta go get breakfast, go to Senior Frogs. And yeah, we're gonna figure it out from there. But overall, I feel like the cruise just been like, it's just been lit, bro. Like, it's a lot of niggas on this boat. A lot of niggas. Show y'all what it look like.
Nashville, Tennessee, goddamn. That's what's up.
Rolling with Rolly, man. Hit me up. I'll be right here. Rolling with Rolly. 242.
Y'all look him up. Look him up.
One eternity later.
We turned up. My dog. And we had a great time. Thank you, Lord.
Fuck wrong with him.
That nigga fake. Don't follow that I said earlier. Do not subscribe.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Let me crush your venture.
Hey, bro,
Nigga.
we where the f we at next? We in Hawaii.
We everywhere. We everywhere. Alright, bro. Yeah. Alright, y'all. See y'all boys. Alright, bro.
Safe travels. Hey. Still ain't got my text.
Whole lot of money in my pants. Gotta keep it coming, I've been running through the bands. She wanna come with me cause I'm the nigga with the bag. I take her to Rodeo, let her blow through this advance. That my type, that's just what I like.